So my name is Atocha Romero. I work at Hospital Puerta De Hierro in Madrid, Spain. My background, I studied pharmacy, and I was always curious about research, and I always liked molecular biology, so I decided to start my PhD in a research center, and then I moved to the clinics, and I did a laboratory medicine residency, which in Spain can be also do by pharmacists and biologists and medical doctors. And then I started my research in cancer. And now I run the liquid biopsy lab at Hospital Puerta De Hierro, where we work with samples from lung cancer patients and other cancer patients, and we do non-invasive biomarker testing, and we also test for BRCA genes and other genes that are related to the heritability of cancer. So we try to analyze the clinical utility of liquid biopsy for lung cancer patients mostly. So we know that liquid biopsy is useful for non-invasive biomarker testing, especially in these patients because lung cancer is difficult to get access in many patients, and also these patients are diagnosed at an advanced age. But we want to know other utilities of of liquid biopsy. So we want to know if it can be useful to monitor disease, and if it can be used to guide clinical decision making. We also want to know, in the context of the clinical trial, of neoadjuvant clinical trial, which is the treatment that is given to patients before they go surgery, if it can be used to evaluate the efficacy of the neoadjuvant treatments. This is very important because we need endpoints that correlates with long-term survival, and that can be measured faster than overall survival, that can speed up the process of a clinical trial. And we believe that ctDNA and the data that we have may be useful as a trial endpoint in the neoadjuvant setting also. So Applied Biosystems Solutions has helped me a lot with the digital PCR. So we were one of the first users of the QuantStudio 3D digital PCR, and that was really helpful for us because we could analyze in a non-invasive way. Then we also have some studies with NGS, and we basically have many essays from digital PCR and that are useful. My dream is that we can develop screening in lung cancer patients and effective screening in lung cancer patients. So lung cancer is a devastating disease. It's a very deadly disease. Most of the people that are diagnosed with lung cancer patients die. And the only way to reverse this is to diagnose cancer in an early stage where cancer can be cured. So my dream is that liquid biopsy can really help in the screening of cancer. So I really think that the development of radiomics and the combination of radiomics information and liquid biopsy will help in that, and hopefully we can offer to the whole population, or at least the population that is at risk, an efficient cancer screening that can be carried out in the public health systems. And we dream with an effective screening that will reduce substantially the mortality of lung cancer.